Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Ford Kuga. So this is our 2012 Ford Kuga. It's the titanium spec, 2-litre diesel, 6-speed manual, all-wheel drive. It's covered just over 90,000 miles from new, so quite low mileage for the age. It's got a whopping 10 service stamps in the book. And whilst in our care, we've replaced all the disc and pads, given it a service, fresh MOT, changed the cam belt and water pump, and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, the car's in really nice condition for the age and mileage. A few little marks here and there on the bodywork and a little bit of corrosion on the alloys, but nothing I wouldn't expect. Inside, got the half leather seats, DAB radio, cruise control, steering wheel controls, electric windows all round, the half leather seats. They're all in pretty good condition. Aircon's blowing out nice and cold too. Front and rear parking sensors as well. Keyless start. Got the lovely privacy glass in the back. Loads of legroom there. And you've also got a lovely big practical boot there as well. Really, really nice motors these. As I say, it's the all-wheel drive, so you've got that added stability. 2-litre diesel, so pretty economical considering the size of the car and the fact it's all-wheel drive. And as I say, overall, in really good condition for the age and mileage. A couple of tiny little marks here and there, but really nothing bad for the age and mileage. Very, very nice SUV. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.